Welcome to my channel Kamal Pandey Tutorials in YouTube channel and Facebook page. Here I shall discuss solution of gate paper in topic Kirchhoff law and nodal analysis. This video lecture is useful to those students who are going to appear for gate paper 2021. Here is one question. Here is one question. 10-volt supply is connected here and all the value of resistance of 1 ohm and 1 ampere current is flowing in this direction and 2 ampere current is flowing in this direction. Question is that find the power supplied by the voltage source. How much power will supplied by the 10-volt supply? We have option like 0 volt, 0 watt, 5 watt, 10 watt and 100 watt. We go for the solution of this question. Here we mark IB the current flowing through the 10-volt supply in this direction, and at A point 1 ampere current plus 2 ampere current meeting at A point, and that means 3 ampere current is flowing through 1 ohm resistor, and here total current of I3 plus I current will flow through 1 ohm resistor. So like this, so from 1 ohm resistance this is 2 plus I current will flow. We use the Kirchhoff voltage law in loop A, B, C, D, A. Using KVL and loop A, B, C, D, A, we get negative to positive, positive 10 equal to, we write 1 into 3 plus I plus 1 into 3 plus I, and here is plus 1 plus 1 we mark 2, 2 plus I, the current is 2 plus I, and that is the value. So we find out the value of current first. This is 3 plus I plus 3 plus I plus 4 plus 2I. The value of current 10 equal to, we write 10 equal to, this value is equal to 4, 7, 6, 10. 10 plus 4I. Positive, positive cancel. 4I equal to 0, I equal to 0. So power supplied by power is equal to V into I. Since the value of I is 0, so 0. So option number 1 is the correct solution of the question. 1 is the correct solution. Okay, we have another question. This question was asked in 2020 electrical engineering paper. Find VTH. Question is that find VTH in the circuit diagram shown in figure. Positive, this is negative, this is 4 volt supply, and here 3 ohm resistance connected, this is 3 ohm, and this value is equal to 2 ohm resistor. Here a current source of 5 ampere is flowing, and here is 3 ohm resistor, and this is open circuit, and we have to find the value of VTH. Here we have option number 1 4 volt, number 2 option 3 volt, number 3 option we have 14 volt, number 4 option minus 14 volt. So in this section, in this question we write like this: the voltage appear at the node A is equal to 4 volt. This is 4 volt. and here is the current flowing in this part. This part is 0 because of open circuit here. So the voltage at B point is VTH. We have to find. So first we calculate. Let us take this current is I1. This is I2. I1 plus I2, current entering towards the junction. I1 plus I2 equal to 0. Algebraic sum is 0. I1 is equal to, we write, minus I2. Value of IT here is 5 ampere. I1 is here I1. We write I1. I1 means 4 minus VTH divided by 2. 4 minus VTH divided by 2 is equal to minus 5. 4 minus VTH is equal to minus 10. 6, this is 14 is equal to VTH. So value of VTH is equal to 14 volt. So option number third is the correct solution of the question. This is the third question, is the third option is the correct solution. We have another question. This question was asked in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering 2020 for 2 marks. This is the current source we have of 1 ampere. This is 1 ampere flowing, and here is the resistance of 1 ohm. Here negative, this is positive, voltage supply of 2 volt, and this is 2 ohm resistor connected, and another current source here 2 ampere is flowing. Here is one resistance that is connected in parallel of 2 ohm, and here is the 4 ohm resistance. This is the question. Find VTH. VTH is how much? That means the voltage across 2 ohm resistance. We have an option, number 1 option 2 volt, number 2 option 3 volt, number 3 option 3.6 volt, number 4 option 10 volt. These are the option given. We go for the solution of this question. This is negative, this is positive. Here the current flowing is 2 ampere, and from here the current flowing, let us we mark the current flowing. Let us take I is the current flowing here, and here the current 1 minus I, because the 1 ampere current is flowing here. If I current leave, then we write 1 minus I, and from here 2 current entering, this is 3 minus I current will leave through the, let us take, we mark A, node A, and this is B. Now we use the Kirchhoff voltage law, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, A, using Kirchhoff voltage law, KVL. KVL. So here negative to positive is positive 2 volt is equal to 2 into 1 minus I. Another is from here plus 3 minus I into 2 ohm resistance connected, and another is minus 1 into I. This is the current I is flowing. So using Kirchhoff voltage law, 2 minus 2I plus 6 minus 2I minus I. 2 to cancel, we cancel out here. 0 equal to minus 5I plus 6. So minus 6 is equal to 5I, minus cancel out. The value of I equal to, we write 6 upon 5 ampere. 6 upon 5 ampere is the current. Now the voltage V across 2 ohm resistance is the VTH. This is 2 into 3 minus I. We multiply is 2, 3 minus I. This is 6 upon 5. V equal to 2. 15 minus 9 upon 5. V equal to, we write 18 upon 5. That is equal to 3.6 volt. 3.6 volt is the answer of the question of VTH. So option number third is the correct solution of the question. With that, we come to end of this session. If you like my videos and if these videos help you in understanding electrical technology, please subscribe my channel